interstellar journeys are not anymore a science fiction thing, So people like Elon Musk and Richard Branson of Virgin Galactic, these individuals are taking it really, really ambitious moves on interstellar journeys that are to be a future reality. So it's amazing. It's mind blowing.
And they know it too. It's not like they're unaware of it. Everyone thought it would be funny if we made the rocket more pointy, so we did.
Did it have any effect on the aerodynamics?
No,
Nothing.
no, we can make it way blunter and be fine.
But is it better to be pointier? Or like if it wasn't for the
It's
movie,
arguably slightly worse, but like,
but more fun for you.
yeah, it looks cooler.